Okay, so again, I'm at the kitchen, living, and then let's come back to the back here. So we've got the breakfast nook, stairs to a frog. This is the garage, which is a nice size garage. It is a 2-car garage. One door. Looks like access to the outside right here. Great size. So this is the laundry room. Okay, has a window to outside. There's a powder bath in here. Right, it does have the same cabinets and granite as the kitchen. The pantry is over here to the left, so it is a little bit away from the kitchen, but it is a nice size. Okay. Let's come back through. All right, let's check out the frog. So we have carpeted stairs. So they have this done as a bedroom. Okay. Attic access here for storage, I'm sure. Okay. Nice amount of furniture up here, so it is a very large space. It looks like they are running a window unit, so that just the AC might have to work a little harder in here, it looks like. Nice sized bedroom though, would be perfect for a guest or kid's room, and they would have access to the bathroom downstairs for your guest. Back to the kitchen.